Okay, so hello po. Good day everyone. So represent ko po lamang po yung mga PowerPoint presentation para sa term 1 ng grade 9. So available na po and 10 topics po ito actually. Pero yung sa ating budget of work, ang allotted is week hanggang week 11 ano tayo. So tingnan muna natin yung budget of work ng grade 9. Okay? So, sa week 1 to 2, ang ating unang i-discuss dito is yung Newton's laws of motion. So, alam naman natin na tatlo yun. The law of inertia, acceleration, and interaction. Pero ang allotted lang is 2 weeks. So, tayo ang bahalang mag-budget. Mag-budget nga nung week kung paano natin pagkakasyahin. Ito, ano? So, anyway, kayang-kaya kasi ang law of interaction naman is napakaikli. Ang law of inertia medyo sa haba lang tayo sa acceleration kasi may mga problem solving. But, definitely, ang acceleration is just a review kasi na-discuss na sa grade 8 yung konsepto ng acceleration. Ano? So, week 3 to 8 naman, medyo mahaba kasi 6 weeks pero 5 topics lang yan nandito. Ano? So, sa week 3 to 8, ang ating covered na topics is yung nature of electricity. Okay, kasunod naman ito is yung two types of circuit. Una is yung series, pangalawa naman is yung parallel circuit. Okay, and then after nun, i-discuss natin yung electromagnetic waves, and then the electromagnetic waves, the harmful effects of the electromagnetic radiation, and then after noon, proceed tayo sa week 9 to 11, which is from physics, magja-jump tayo sa Earth Science. Ano? So, sa Earth Science naman, two topics yung nakasama sa term 1. Yun yung ating continental drift theory and the plate and plate boundaries. So, 3 weeks pero two topics. Medyo ano tayo, hayahay dito. Pero mahaba din yan. Ano? So, anyway, ito yung mga PowerPoint presentation natin. So, law of inertia, week 1 to 2 to. The acceleration, the law. And then, the law of interaction, okay, week 3 to 8, yung nature of electricity natin, the series circuit. We also have the parallel circuit, and then the electromagnetic waves. Also have the electromagnetic waves and the harmful effects of electromagnetic radiation. The continental drift theory, week 9 to 11. And lastly, we have the plate and plate boundary. So, if you are interested po, and if you want to avail po, meron po tayong instruction sa ating description. And then, meron din akong naka-preview na email ko diyan sa ating YouTube video. Thank you so much.